Chikara Udon or Udon Noodles with grilled mochi is a traditional Japanese noodle dish made by adding grilled mochi rice cakes to a bowl of udon noodle soup. It is simple yet hearty and satisfying dish you should definitely try. Full recipes on JapaneseCooking101.com. Peel the carrot and cut into 1/4 inch rounds. Heat the dashi broth over medium heat and add sake, mirin, soy sauce, and salt. Stir and add the carrot rounds and keep warm. Next, we prepare the toppings. Grill the mochi rice cake in a toaster oven until nicely golden brown. Blanch the spinach, squeeze out excess water, and cut into 2-inch length. Thinly slice the green onions and set aside. Add the udon noodles to the hot soup and cook for a few minutes and divide the noodles into bowls. Pour the soup and top with the toasted mochi and vegetables. You can also add some proteins if you like, such as chicken pieces or thinly sliced pork or beef. Sprinkle with some shichimi red pepper if you like. Chikara means strength or energy in Japanese. This will definitely give you the energy boost and comfort you need during the colder winter month. Hope you try it.
美味しい。美味しいね。